In this video, we'll show you how to download and install Adobe Creative Cloud on your Windows computer. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to it.miami.edu/Adobe. When prompted, sign in using your login ID and password and then authenticate with MFA. From the Adobe Creative Cloud page, scroll down and click on the orange Login to Adobe CC button. Next, on the Adobe Sign-In page, enter your email address and click Continue. From the Adobe home screen, navigate to the Desktop Apps button on the top right of the page. In the list of software, locate Creative Cloud and click the Download button to proceed. Once the download is complete, locate the file and click to launch the installer. You may be prompted with a Windows pop-up message. Click on More Info and Run Anyway to proceed. On the Account Authentication screen, click Continue. Your university credentials should be recognized and you will be signed in. If not, sign in using your login ID and password. During installation, you can then choose to answer the personalization questions or select Skip Question at the bottom of the window. Once initialization is complete, click Done on the Welcome pop-up. Select Apps from the left or right-hand menu bar to view the applications available to you for installation. From here, you are able to install various applications by clicking Install on the corresponding app. For additional support, please visit our website or contact the Student Technology Help Desk.